We'll be back later, little man, alright? Hey, don't thrash my room. Alright? Hey, look at me. Hey. So I just called an Uber. It's supposed to be here right now, and on the notification on the app it said that it was a car that's really slow, so wherever I'm going, it may take a little longer than normal. We're gonna go find out what it is right now. Now they got the Corolla S. Down for the Corolla S? What happened to the S2000?
Oh shit, hold on.
What happened to the S2000?
I modified it. I put a turbo in it.
You added some doors?
Added some doors.
You added some doors?
Permanent top, you know.
Permanent top. You welded it on?
And we can still take the top off if you want, fool. There it is, dog. We're topless now.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys have been a long time subscriber, you'll recognize who this is. If not, this is Captain Nutsack. He got promoted now. It's no longer Sergeant Nutsack. But we're going to be on the way to D-Sport right now. Today's dyno day. Hopefully everything goes well. Jesus has been there with John from 5150 Racing for a few hours now, wiring up a couple sensors and making sure everything's good. So we're off in the Uber Eats.
Let's run it.
Let's go. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. We haven't even got to the shop yet. That's so weird. I forgot about the induction noise that comes out of this thing. So I was like, what's that noise? I was like, bro, do you have a boost leak?
Every time cause I rarely get into I rarely smash on this. So every time I hear it, I'm always like, whoa.
Alright, we just got to D-Sport. One ride later in the Corolla S. I can hear a hood exit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Oh. There you go. Alright, so right now I'm running into a little bit of a fuel issue. John thinks some of the injectors may be switched around. So right now, Jesus is pulling off the fuel rail to check the injectors to make sure they're good. It's not hot. Alright guys, so if you saw my previous dyno video, not the most recent one, but the one before, you guys will recognize the 1400 horsepower Skyline. Zach has never seen it before, so I wanted to show him. It's pretty crazy, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty hard right now.
Yeah, I got the nitrous setup, some Bugatti fuel pumps in here, right? Bugatti Veyron.
Yeah, one Bugatti fuel. You say
Nah,
two?
multiples.
Alright.
Of four Bugattis.
Quad. A quattro.
Yep. Busher Racing ain't got nothing on this.
Yep.
Something I didn't notice last time too, guys, is that this is an actual Nismo cluster. This is worth a lot of money. Sam, we're gonna put it in your car.
I don't know, people will probably bag on me. Shit. Alright, thank you. Which one did you want, bro?
Yo, tell me that this drive-thru doesn't look like a self-wash bay.
Bro, we about to get the wash real quick.
Get the wash and the tacos.
The wash and the tacos. Hey, what's his name's gonna come out of nowhere, bro? What was that dude's name? The black dude you used to work with at Audi.
Oh, Congo?
Congo's gonna come out, bro. He's gonna be
Hell no. Guys, we got 16 orders of tacos. Or 8 orders, right?
8 orders, 16
We got
tacos.
16 tacos in this bag. We got 2 Sprites. We got 2 munchie meals on the way, and this fool forgot the Dr. Pepper in the order, so this lady is pissed. Zach, you see that head right there? What do you think it is? I'll give you a hint. It's a straight 6.
Arby?
Oh, my man. You're right. It's an SR. No, I'm just kidding. So this is the part of building a race car
This one.
that they don't tell you
two.
about.
2. This is 2. 2's gonna go in 821.
They're out there fixing some fuel issues, so I'm in here, kid in the candy shop. Look at this, guys. Look at this. 4G on the engine stand. Got some freeze plugs. So this might not be that cool to you guys, but I think this is super rad. I was looking at these case halves right here for Subaru, and if you put them together, if you guys look, it literally says D-Sport Performance Magazine. Sick. Alright, so like 2 hours worth of fuel issues. We're finally ready. All 3 pumps are gonna work right now. It's gonna be loud. Quick little update. It's 1:34. The injectors are off, and Sam is gonna flow test them. These injectors have been sitting for 1 year and 5 months. So
A year and 5 months?
yes, they have. Well, I told them when we were playing Call of Duty. I was like, dude, you should get them ultrasonic cleaned. Hey, Pop. Remember I told you should clean your injectors?
We should check them, yeah.
I did.
Okay, we got extra ones. And Sam's working after hours?
working right now.
We did. We bought tacos earlier.
Oh, okay. You fed him already.
You got paid in Jack in the Box?
He'd be fed, you know?
I'm fed up.
I see nothing coming out of that injector.
Number
Not a
2.
goddamn thing.
It might be the. Hold on, let me see if it's this one.
Oh, maybe it's not plugged in.
Good job, Sam.
Nope.
Still nothing.
Try crossing the other wire and see if that works.
I mean, they flow good, except for that one.
That one feels great.
I mean, 3-cylinder.
And that was 2.
It make good power for a 3-cylinder.
I did.
Okay?
It's pretty dope for a 2-cylinder.
That's really good power.
Yeah.
Alright, Sam, throw one of yours in there.
Alright, so the last pull you guys saw, obviously it kind of cut out a little bit. We got Sam here doing his magic, gapping to 18th thou, right?
Yeah, doing it the getaway again.
He did do it the getaway. So guys, quick reference for time. It is currently 3:13 in the morning.
4, no?
3:13 currently. Putting in mad OT. Sam is doing this all for free out of the kindness of his heart. Just because
It's for the love of the...
he loves Lancer so much.
Yeah.
Damn, put the sparkle sweater. Sheesh. Hey, that means you can do a burnout in the Evo, dog. Burnout in the Evo, dog.
You already know.
Oh no, you got the Challenger today, or the Charger.
Yes, sir.
Sheesh.
That's a sea cam, cuz.
What's up, man? Good seeing you.
Yeah, catch you later.
Take it easy.